Mmm. Mmm. So what's up, everybody? Bill here with the Bill Hound special. You know, I noticed the last couple of batches I made, I never described what it tastes like. I didn't do a review of it. So it leaves you guys kind of hanging like, what's it like? Well, I'm going to start doing that. I'm going to start doing reviews of my own food that I make, okay? And this is the last batch I made of the Bill Hound special, okay? The video on how I made it is there, but I want to start, describing what it's like because this is what I eat all the time, okay? And as you can see, I made a whole batch. You can see how much was in there, and that'll last me. And I'm also sharing that with my bro. It'll last about 5 or 6 days, okay? So as you can see, all the veggies and potatoes are there, all the good stuff, like you can see when I make it. And let's just try it. Cheers. Oh yeah, so good, so good. Drinking wild cherry Pepsi, 0 sugar. It goes so good with the Bill Hunt special. So as you can see, it's like a stew, okay? Ribbit. Sorry. It's like a stew. It's very, 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 it's really good, okay? Hmm. Oh. I don't even know how to describe it, really. You can taste all the seasonings I put in it. That new, I can't remember what it's called, but it was that brick of that Mexican, like, it's like, had a really weird texture, like almost like a bouillon cube, but it's all red. I can't remember the name of it. It's in the last video. You can taste that. Mm. Wow. Wow. It's phenomenal. It really is. It's so hearty, okay? That I can just eat this, okay? And this will be my dinner, okay? It comes out to be about $3 a bowl, okay? And then I just heat it up when I get home, a bowl, boom, I'm good for the night. But sometimes I'll get a little hungry later, so I'll make a little something else. Usually a couple of small tacos, chorizo and egg tacos. But this is my main staple. I live on this. It's really healthy. It's got lots of fiber, so it keeps your system running really good, okay? You can taste everything I put in here. Mm. All the veggies are cooked just right, okay? There's so much flavor. You have no idea. My bro says I could can this stuff up and sell it if I want. I could open a restaurant, he said. And I don't like to toot my horn too much, but I agree. This stuff's bomb. Mm. I can't even describe. I mean, what it's like. It's the taste. This might be the best batch I've ever made right here. So I just wanted to make a review of how I do it. This is how I roll. I really don't eat a lot these days. I don't eat a lot of other things. I just pretty strict with this because it's really healthy and it's very inexpensive to make. $3 for a whole bowl. That's basically my dinner. Okay, so man, it's really yum. Mm. You can taste every veggie I put in there. You can taste the flavor, especially now that I've been using the farmer's market produce, that has more flavor. Okay, you can taste the beans, you can taste the meat, you can taste the seasonings, all of it. You can taste everything. It's really amazing. I love it. That's right. I live on it. So that's my review of the Bill Hound Special. If you want something that's very economical and very, very healthy and very tasty, this is what you want right here. This is all you need right there. Okay. Would you look at that? It's so good. Perfect texture. Okay. Well, I'm going to chow down here and enjoy this. So thank you for stopping by. I appreciate it. And I'll put a link to the video on how I made this batch in the description of this one. Okay. Worthy. So you all have a fantastic day. If you have any questions, leave me a comment and I'll get back to you. I guarantee it. All right. Catch you later. See ya.